Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you one of my new favorite glosses. It is from the brand Kylie Cosmetics and it is the shade Cupcake. So this was originally launched as part of the birthday collection, but thankfully they brought it to their permanent collection, which I'm super happy about. It doesn't have the birthday kind of packaging, but yeah, let's go ahead and talk about the product, the actual product. It is a 0.09 ounce product for $15. It is described, or this shade Cupcake is described as a soft peachy pink, which in my opinion is a perfect kind of nude-ish pinky shade. I absolutely love it. It might be one of my favorite glosses from the whole website, so I am definitely planning to get another one when I run out, but this is one of my new favorites and I hope you enjoyed this video. I also do want to mention that I do have other swatches of other Kylie lip products in my playlist of lip products or Kylie playlist, but go ahead and check that out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys!